A big mess with his cereal, so he's going to clean it. Isn't that right, Joshua? Clean up the mess. Clean up the milk. All of that mess you made. Go ahead. Clean it up. Come on. Let's clean it up together. All right, Sid, come on. Clean up some more. Clean it. You made the mess, you gotta clean it. Yeah, clean it. Clean it all the way up. It's not got up yet. There's still a lot of milk to do. Clean it up. After you're done with the milk, we gotta sweep it up. Okay, clean it up. Clean it up. Good job. There's some more. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. There's more right there. Right there. Right here. Clean up. Clean up your mess. Thank you. Good job. Alright, clean up the rest. Can I have my, let me have it. It's on the floor. Thank you. Good job. Keep cleaning. Alright, Joshua, come here. Got. Come on. Get over here. The mess is over here, little boy. Come here. The Cheerios you spilled. Good boy. Alright, get the rest. Good job. Put the rest in. Yep. Good job. Good job. No, don't dump it out.